When you first log into Umbraco and you're at your back office, there are three icons to the right side here. The first one here is your Profile tab. From here you can change your password or edit your profile. Clicking on Edit will take you to the Edit Profile section, where you can have your email address updated, or you can select your default language. You can also assign access to the different sections of the site that you would edit, such as the administration section and anything else that involves sensitive data. The second tab here is the Help icon. Clicking on this opens up a window that gives you a list of options for video tours and other things that pertain to uSkinned that you could find helpful to you. The third tab icon here is the search icon. By clicking this to open up the search box, this will allow you to search the website for various content and things that you would like to edit. Some people prefer to edit this way rather than going into their content tree, but this is really just personal preference.